Right people, as you can probably see, I made a start on the sound deadening. Still got a few bits to do. Got the windows to go in, sound deadened the cab area and removed all that. So just got the insulation to go in, and then we can get some wires in and get moving. And fit the Fiamma F80s. So you've probably seen this a million times, but this is how I do it. So when we go 1, 2, 5, 9 and 10 of these little things off. Help if I switch the power on. Power's on. And that's it, off. Right. So that's there like so, and the bracket goes right on the top. So we'll go and get some gunge and then we'll come back. Right, let's put a bit of this shit on here. So and then that goes through there. That can't possibly be right. And we've got 2 washers like so to go on, and then your nut. So I need 2 hands for that, so I'll be back in a sec. So that's that bracket. So now we should go on to that one and that one. See you in a minute. Right, same procedure again. Get the God's sake. God, they're tight with them. Come on. There we go. As you can probably guess, I made the brackets up before we started. That was a bit of a faff. But never mind. That bad boy's going to sit on there like that. And then, same as before, 2 washers underneath and a nut and a load of shit. A little bit of gunge. Just wondering why I'm squinting. I haven't got the glasses on. Just a case of going underneath. Tighten. God, that's if I don't fall off. Come with me. Right. You can just see the little bolts sticking through there and there. Right. Right, I'm not saying this is the right way to do it, but this is how I've done it. 2 washers. And 1 should stick on there. So I'll put them on and then I'll show you. between the stickers. Don't need that. Go and make yourself a cup of tea or something, might be well. Right. So, same again. God, don't fall off. Right, so that one goes on there like that, which is a pain in the arse because the Allen key is right in there. Right, so that's that done. Going underneath and putting the nuts on again. So no point in filming that because you've seen all that. Right people, that's the brackets on and lined up. Now it's just a case of lifting the awning on, which I might have to wait till the boy's in because it's quite heavy.